There's the completed scissor knurl, with the exception of chopping the knurl tool holder off. I made it way too long. I had no clue. So I'll chop that off, and I'm going to fuddle around here and see if I can get it to produce a light pattern by hand. I just have it kind of, it's not even snug. Yeah, obviously it needed a little snugger. It made something. So what I'm thinking about is 115 RPM on this 1.125 inch, 1 1/8 inch piece of aluminum. And I'm just going to feed it by hand. The big question, of course, is how tight do I make it? I want to take almost a full bite, but what's that? I don't really know. I don't know how deep those knurls are. I've heard 1/4 to 1/3 of a turn. So that's what we're going to try. I'll be back. Well, here we go. I'm going to fuddle around and try to do this. No telling what'll happen. Got it set at 115 RPM. I put 1/3 of a turn after hand snug on the adjustment screw. I'm going to turn it by hand. I'm going to feed it by hand, and I have to make a decision how many hands I'm going to use. I need 3 to do hand feed, WD-40, and blow the chips. So I think I'll skip blowing the chips this time. I've engaged it about a 1/16 of an inch, and that's where I'm going to start. The knurls are engaged about a 1/16 of an inch on the shaft. Most of the knurl is not on the shaft. That'll be enough to see if it's going to work. Well, it did something. I didn't want to disengage the knurl, so it's kind of screwed up there. Let's see if I can zoom in so we can see what it did. I'll probably zoom in till it's out of focus. Yep. So that's what it did. I'm going to play with it off camera, but that is my very first knurl. And I'll be back the first time, I'll be back when I get it set back up. Alright, I'm going to speed things up a bit and put that magic 82-degree chamfer on it. By the way, I now know, without any doubt whatsoever, not that I've known for some time, why a person has all the tool holders they can possibly buy. So you don't have to swap them out every time you change tools. I've got 4, I think, and I've got another one on the way. This tool holder usually holds my cutoff tools. It's a Dorian, and I'm going to dedicate it to the Scissor Knurl. And I've got another Dorian on the way with a V groove, another $5, by the way, for that groove in the bottom of it. So I can also use it with round cutters, like boring bars. So I'm now a firm believer of all the tool holders you can buy. All right, we're going to spin this in reverse and cut on the back side. Well, I want more. So crank her back up. That looks pretty good. I think that'll do her. So this is my very first knurl. This is the one you're going to see. There was no experimenting before I did it, and I'm really looking forward to critique. When I post this, I will post some close-up pictures with the still camera, and try to clean it up first, of course, and then tell me what I did wrong or what I can do better. Thanks.